How to fix Google Maps location not updating? Don't worry. Here are several things you can try to fix the problem. First, make sure location services are enabled. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Tap Privacy and Security. Tap on Location Services and ensure it's turned on. Next, scroll down, tap Google Maps, and make sure the location permission is set to while using the app or always. Also, make sure precise location is turned on. Next, check your internet connection. Google Maps needs a stable Wi Fi or cellular connection to update your location accurately. If your location is still not updating, close Google Maps completely and reopen it. You can also tap the location arrow in the bottom right corner of the app to refresh your current location. If the issue continues, restart your iPhone. A simple restart can often fix temporary GPS or software glitches. Also, make sure you're using the latest version of Google Maps by updating the app from the App Store. If none of these steps work, try resetting your location and privacy settings. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Tap on General, scroll down, then Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset and select Reset Location on Privacy. Keep in mind that this will reset location permissions for all apps and you'll need to grant them again afterward. And that's it. One of these solutions should help fix Google Maps if your location isn't updating on your iPhone. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more iPhone tips, app tutorials, and how-to videos.